Hey guys, it's Paula. So I just want to share with you how to fix the H-Lock Galvanic Spa. A lot of people have been telling me that, oh Paula, my Galvanic Spa doesn't work anymore. Well, first of all, if you have an ancient gadget like this one that I have for the longest time, it's time to get rid of it. Dude, I mean like all gadgets, like all digital gadgets, your speakers, your computers, they need to be updated. So if you tell me this thing doesn't work, well, probably because it's really old. I mean, this thing's probably like 10 years old or something. So get rid of it, get a new one right here. And if you're telling me it doesn't work, it is spoiled, that might have been the little thing right here, which I'll show you. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the batteries out. These are AAA batteries, and you can always get rechargeable ones anyways. So I wanna show you what an interior looks like. Interiors look like this, and you definitely, it's like a little battery cartridge. You have little sensors over here. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight this part. So a lot of times these are little tablets that go back and forth. Do you see that? I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah, there you go. Do you see that? That thing gets pushed back all the time every time you insert a new battery. So therefore, sometimes it actually does not come springing back. So that is a problem. So here we go. Hopefully I can show you guys this. You grab something sharp. For example, right here, I have my shearing scissors for my nails. Then what you do is you just go in there and yank out this little tab right here. You see that? Just yank it out. There you go. And yank this one out. There you go. Yank it out. There. The reason why we're doing this is because we want to make sure there's basically a better connectivity from the battery to this part of, well, this part doesn't have it, you see, because this part is the round sensors, and it's this little flap right here. Sometimes it gets retracted so back into the machine. You just have to kind of yank it out a little bit to make sure the connectivity is good. And then of course, now we're gonna go back and reinsert the battery. So here we go. There. Then, okay, so read the instructions right here. This is the first one we go in is positive, negative. So negative, go into the little flap right here, and then positive, okay? Make sure you push it onto the ribbon, not avoiding the ribbon, but you have to push it while the ribbon is underneath. Then the next one, this one is opposite, right? So then it's this way and that way, and then you shove all this in there, the ribbon in there, because this ribbon is for you to pull out easier and get your battery out easier without like hurting your nails. So then here we go, put it in. Okay, voila. So here we go, max connectivity, because now there no longer is a little gap, and that flap that we have yanked it out, we have like pushed it out a little bit, so it's gonna work perfectly. So voila, this is how you fix Galvanic Spa. Let me know if you have any questions, comment below.